Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to remote desktop from Mac to Windows. Okay, how do you access Windows PC from your Mac? And what you want to do is first go to search and just type in Windows app. Okay, I want you to get this app. It's a remote desktop. Go ahead and open this up. Okay, click on open. And then what I want you to do when you get this pop-up, click on allow. So you're allowing the Windows app to find devices on the local network, basically the Wi-Fi connection you're connected to, okay? And you need local network access for this, basically connect to the Wi-Fi address that is connected to the PCs around you, okay? Click on allow, then come to the top right, click on this plus icon, get this drop down, click on add PC. So now we add a connection. All you need to do is just type in the host name of your PC. You can get it from your settings, okay, system, and you can also just type in the IP address. Okay, you can use credentials as when required, and group, it will be saved to PCs. This one is optional, you can ignore that. Gateway, make sure it's no gateway, and toggle this one on, reconnect if the connection is dropped, and then click on add. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.